Searching for the best cycling shorts can feel overwhelming, especially when comfort and fit are essential for your rides. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Heath Yoga Women's Padded Bike Shorts. The Heath Yoga 4D padded bike shorts caught my eye right away with their sleek design and comfort-focused features, priced at just $27.99. If you want a pair of shorts that feel like a second skin while you ride, this is worth a serious look. These shorts are crafted from a breathable fabric that wicks away moisture and dries quickly, which is essential if you're planning those long rides. The upgraded 4D gel padding is strategically designed to reduce pressure and prevent chafing. It's like having your personal cushion for your saddle, making those bumpy rides far more enjoyable. Plus, the wide waistband offers great tummy control, keeping everything in place while also providing comfort. Now, some users have pointed out that the sizing can be a bit off, leading to a snug fit for some. Here's the thing though, if you know your measurements and follow their size guide, you should be just fine. It's all about getting that right fit, so maybe size up if you're in between. This is perfect for you if you're a female cyclist looking for comfort and support on your rides. Skip this one if you prefer a looser fit, as these definitely hug your body. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these shorts. Product number 2. Bikeoa Men's Bike Shorts, Blue-Gray. We have the Bikeoa Men's Bike Shorts, which are priced at $29.99 and offer excellent features for serious cyclists. If you're after both style and functionality, this is definitely one to consider. These shorts are ultra stretchy and quick drying thanks to the lightweight nylon mesh fabric. This means you can ride without feeling weighed down, and the moisture wicking properties are a game changer during those sweaty rides. The 3D padding is specifically designed to minimize vibrations, making them suitable for both mountain and road biking. And let's not forget the multiple pockets. They're big enough for your phone and other essentials, so you won't have to leave anything behind. However, a few users mentioned that the leg grips could feel a bit tight during longer rides. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a snug fit, that's actually beneficial for keeping the shorts in place. Just remember, comfort is subjective, so if you have larger thighs, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pair of shorts for various cycling activities. Skip this one if you tend to prefer a looser fit, as these do hug your legs quite closely. Overall, they offer great value for the price. Product number 3. Bikeoa Men's Bike Shorts, Black. We have another option from Bikeoa, this time in black and priced at $33.99. This version is similar to the previous one, but offers a slightly different style, making it a strong contender. Like the blue-gray version, these shorts come with an ultra-stretchy and quick-drying fabric, which is essential for keeping you dry during those intense rides. The 3D padding is perfectly positioned to cushion you where it matters most, reducing discomfort on longer rides. Plus, they've got those handy pockets that make it easy to store your essentials while out on the road. Now, one downside mentioned by a few folks is that the waistband can be a bit tight. But here's the thing, a secure waistband prevents any slippage while riding, especially during those bumpy downhill rides. Just be mindful if you prefer a more relaxed fit around your waist. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pair of shorts that can handle everything from mountain trails to road cycling. Skip this if you don't like snug waistbands, as these do have a more fitted style. For the features and comfort, it's a solid investment. Product number 4. Pearl Izumi Men's Padded Cycling Podium Short. Moving on to a higher-end option, the Pearl Izumi Men's Padded Cycling Podium Short is priced at $40 and boasts some impressive features. If you're serious about cycling, this is definitely worth considering. These shorts are made with recycled performance fabric, which is not only eco-friendly, but also helps keep you cool and dry. The Select 1-to-1 chamois pad is designed specifically to prevent chafing and cushioning for long rides, meaning you can focus on your performance without discomfort. The turned hem with silicone grip ensures that the shorts stay in place, which is crucial when you're pedaling hard. However, I did notice some users found them a little pricey compared to other options. But honestly, if you're looking for durability and comfort for serious cycling, the investment can really pay off in terms of ride quality and performance. This is perfect for you if you take cycling seriously and want a short that can handle long distances. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as it does come with a higher price tag. For the quality though, it's definitely a worthwhile purchase. Product number 5, X-Tiger Cycling Underwear. We have the X-Tiger Cycling Underwear, which is a fantastic budget option at just $19.99. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, this could be a great fit for you. These shorts come with 5D gel padding that effectively dampens shock during your rides. The breathable fabric keeps you comfortable, and the non-slip leg grips are a nice touch to prevent any rolling up. They're designed not just for cycling, but also for other activities like horseback riding and indoor cycling, making them quite versatile. One downside is that they might not provide enough support on longer rides for some users. But here's the thing, for casual rides or shorter distances, they're more than adequate. If you're just getting into cycling or ride casually, these could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're looking for budget-friendly cycling underwear that can be used for various activities. Skip this if you plan on doing long-distance rides regularly, as you might need more padding. For the price, you really can't beat it. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Pearl Izumi shorts because of their superior comfort for long rides. Avoid the X-Tiger if you're planning on longer distances regularly, as they might not provide enough support. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.